This guide will help you download invoices on Framer for the year 2026. Follow these steps to easily access and save your invoices. Step 1. Log into your Framer account. Visit the Framer website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account associated with the invoices you want to download. Step 2. Navigate to the Billing section. Once logged in, locate the Billing or Account Settings section in the main menu. This is usually found under your profile or account name. Step 3. Access Invoice History. In the Billing section, look for an option labeled Invoice History or Billing History. Click on this option to view all your past invoices. Step 4. Select the desired invoice. Browse through the list of invoices and find the one you wish to download. You may have the option to filter by date or amount to make this easier. Step 5. Download the invoice. Once you have selected the invoice, look for a download button or link. Click on it to save the invoice to your device, typically in PDF format. Now you can easily access your invoices whenever needed. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Framer support for assistance.